Welcome back to Anu's kitchen. Today I am going to teach you how to make hotel style white coconut chutney. It involves a very simple procedure and even the beginners also can try it. And it tastes awesome. Now let's move on to the recipe. Ingredients required for white coconut chutney. 1 tablespoon of split gram dal, 1 red chilli, 2 green chillies, a piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of oil, required salt, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few curry leaves and half shell of coconut. Required water. To get the hotel style coconut chutney, we have to take the coconut. What they do is we have to just remove the brown part of the coconut. I have removed the brown part of the coconut and now we have to cut it into pieces. Now we have to take a mixie jar and put the coconut. Then to this we have to add 2 green chillies, 2 ginger, 1 tablespoon of split gram dal and required amount of salt and grind it. Add little water. Now the white coconut chutney is ready. We can transfer it to a bowl. Now the white coconut chutney is almost ready. The final step is we have to do the seasoning for it. Now light the gas stove. Now we have to take a small pan. Put the mustard seeds, Urad Dal, required oil for seasoning, and we have to allow it to splutter. Seeds are spluttering. To this we have to add 2 small red chillies and a few curry leaves. Now switch off the gas stove and add the seasoning to the chutney. It goes very well with dosas, idlies and any variety of snack. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye.